it's the last design for for art design after all. But hello, my name is ZabIQ, and we're going to another video of not art design. And for this art design, this is gonna be the last one in DSL. So we got like 5 spirit birds to design for the time being. For the T Ravens heroes and villains. So the remaining 5 are so we already did Robin, but we got the hummingbird, falcon, sparrow, and the night jay, or the night jaw. Okay, so if I put another bird, it will be okay. So I don't have another bird. Like I have the cobra, the squirrel, the beetle, and the rat. Does the squirrel count for flying? If it's a flying squirrel, then I can do it. But I don't think that's actually a bird. Okay, let me figure out what kind with another bird I actually could design for Astra. Okay. It's fine. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for the time being. Um, and then we'll figure out what kind of background I want to do. Maybe something that's actually kind of lush and something lush, like maybe like the apocalypse was, but like a not the city of apocalypse. Apocalypse, maybe like a okay. This is actually a good apocalypse one, and I think I can find it. Okay, yeah, I got it. I got an idea. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and design the five spirit birds with a apocalypse background around it, and that's pretty much it. So wish me good luck. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I am done with the art design of the Spirit Birds, the last 5 of them. So we got a cardinal, a sparrow, a falcon, a knight, knight J, and then a hummingbird. So yeah. One thing I was thinking about this background design was actually, I was thinking of building like a subway, that way actually looks like a subway, but it's more like a bandaged subway because if you don't know, no, the other half of the team are actually villains, and I didn't want to leave it be to something beautiful and nice. I wanted something dangerous and meaningful. So yeah. So yeah. Anyway, let me go ahead and put these darken up. So normally it could be like something original. Well, I don't know. One thing I could think of when I make these art designs is something pretty good. And I think that's actually pretty much, that looks pretty good so far. Now, I think like red could be good. If you don't know, this is actually like a black background of it. So that's why I'm thinking like we could do red borders around it, and maybe like a pink or maroon. Yeah. Well, it works. It's fine. And then I'll talk about what with my future actually. Alright, there you go, that looks better. Alright, for the future now. So next time we're gonna work on a portfolio for all of these art design in DCell. I'm gonna work on like a couple of them, and then I got one design I want to do my own. It's not gonna be recorded, because we have an odd number 21 instead of 22, but. Yeah. But starting in June, we're gonna work on a portfolio, and I'll show you how does it work, how to actually make one. And then also I'll show you an extra tip from Illustrator after all, so you can actually create your own portfolio or app and so. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's actually pretty much it. For now, so I'm going to leave the video here, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this long series for the time being, and wish me good luck making it before you now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Join T Ravens. Do follow me on all my social media accounts, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Spirits guide you. Together we walk in hope. We the bar.